How to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. Let's get started. Launch your Hamster Kombat. Once you're in this exchange page, you're going to find your coin. By tapping on the screen, you can easily increase your coin amount. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of your drop. In order to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat, you will need to connect your account to the Ton wallet. So go ahead and click on the option of connect your Ton wallet. Once you get this pop-up, you can close this, then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Ton wallet and then install it. Once completion of its installation process, launch it. Then create your wallet and then log into your account. After you do that, you can again come to this page, then click on connect your Ton wallet. Now here you're going to find different options. As you have downloaded Ton Keeper, you can select the option of Ton Keeper, or else you can also use any other existing wallet apps, D-Wallet, Ton Hub, My Wallet, any options given in this page. But for instance, I'm going to use Ton Keeper. Now from here you can create your account, or also you can use the existing account. Once you connect your Hamster Kombat to the Ton wallet, you will be good to go. So you can see that I have just connected. Now you can launch your Ton wallet, and using Ton wallet you can easily withdraw the money from Hamster Kombat. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.